question. You can pause the video and you can write down the question. And now I'll start with solving the problem. So how to do the rectification entries for the errors. Yes. So first we'll see what they have given. So what they have given: rectify the following errors. Rectify the following errors. Point A. See, rectify the following errors. In the last video we have seen that rectify the errors with suspense account it was mentioned, but in this problem it is not mentioned as a suspense account. Clear? So when it is not mentioned and if you see the transactions, then you will understand these transactions are two-sided errors. Clear? Then we have to pass the entries without opening the suspense account. Here both the entries will affect. Clear? So we will see one by one how to solve the rectified entry. So I will take the correct entry, wrong entry and rectification entry. So first transaction you can see here, an amount of rupees 1000 spent on repair. Spent on repair to machinery account has been debited to machinery account. See, spent for the repair. Spent for the repair. ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ರಿಪೇರ್ ಗಾಗಿ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ರಿಪೇರ್ ಗಾಗಿ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದನ್ನ ನಾವು wrongly what we are doing, debited to machinery. Clear? So first we'll go with the correct entry. I'll show you the correct entry. What is the correct entry? So repair what expense, debit, and we have given the cash. So cash is credit. So I've written here correct entry is what? Repair account debit to cash account. Repair account debit to cash account. Then what is the wrong entry? Repair, instead of repair what they have debited, machinery has been debited. Repair anna debit ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ what they have done mistake, machinery anna debit ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. They have machinery debited and cash is as it is. Cash is as it is credit. So we should not touch the right entries. So cash is here, cash is here. So both the entries are correct. So what we'll do? Cash cancel, here cancel. Understand? What to do the rectification entry? Rectification entry what? Repair should be machinery ageti. Repair is the machinery ageti. Machinery na ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Repair. So repair account debit. Repair correct debit ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, repair account debit, and this machinery left out will become credit. Will become credit. Clear? Because only these two accounts are remaining with us. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಏನು ಎರಡು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇವೆರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಪೇರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಷಿನರಿ. ಎರಡು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಉಳಿದಾವು, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ರಿಪೇರ್ ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಮಷಿನರಿನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಪೇರ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮಷಿನರಿ ಡೆಬಿಟೆಡ್ we have to make it credit. Then amount will be same. Amount will be same. We are not going to double the entry because there is no any machinery is repeating. ಎರಡು machinery ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾವೇನೋ we have seen in the suspense account while solving the problem. Clear? machinery ಅಂತ ಎರಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ machinery ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ one machinery 1000, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪೇರ್ ಒಂದೇ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 1000. we should not debit the amount. If there is a suspense account, at that time when the account will repeat, then the amount will be debited. Clear? So many confusion, students will come with this confusion, sir, why we have not doubled the amount here? Why we have not doubled the amount? Because there is no any repeated account. Machinery ಎರಡು ಸರ್ತಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಡಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ no. Is there repair entries come for double time? No. So that's why 1000. I hope you understood, students. Correct? Next is second account. Second transaction we'll see. Second transaction and amount. See what you have to do. I have shown you the general entry for directly. We should not write all this full. Only this one you have to pass the entry. What you have to pass the entry? Repair account debit to machinery account. Clear? 1000 debit, 1000 credit. narration we have to write. What is the narration we have to write? Same. Clear? Spent on repair to machinery has been debited, rectified. Same you have to write. Here I'll just show you one example. Spent for repair, being spent for repair has been debited to machinery is rectified. Journal entry you have to pass and close the account. Only this much you have to write. Repair account debit to machinery account. I hope students you follow. The next one will go quickly. Next one, a sum of rupees 3,000. Sum of rupees 3,000 received from Radha. Received from Radha has been credited to Sudha. So Radha account go ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, Sudha account ಗೆ entry ಆಗೈತಿ. So this is the mistake. Radha account it should enter, Sudha account ಗೆ entry ಆಗೈತಿ. Received, cash received from Radha. First we should think the correct journal entry. Correct journal entry I will show you here. What is the correct journal entry? Received from Radha. Received ಅಂದ್ರೆ cash received. So cash debit. I am showing here B point here. Cash received, cash debit. Correct? Then which account? Radha account credit. Cash debit, Radha credit. Wrongly what it is being done? Credited to Sudha. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗೈತಿ cash ದ cash correct ಐತಿ, but wrongly Sudha ಏನಾಗೈತಿ credit ಆಗೈತಿ. Radha ಜಾಗದಾಗ Sudha. Clear? Radha credit ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, wrongly Sudha credit. This is a wrong entry. Followed. Then what is the rectified entry? Radha ಜಾಗದಾಗ Radha ಬರಬೇಕು. Correct? Sudha ಬಂದೈತಿ. Sudha ಜಾಗದಾಗ ಇನ್ನು ವಾಪಸ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ? Radha. Radha ಜಾಗದಾಗ Sudha. Radha के जगह में Sudha. Sudha na again we have to remove, keep the Radha. Then one more entry, this cash cancel. This Sudha will go above, so will become debit. Same amount, no double the amount, because only one entry Radha, one entry Sudha. One entry ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ again amount will not become double. So amount is how much? 3,000. So 3,000 debit, 3,000 credit. Followed. This is the rectified entry. This rectified entry we have to show in the journal. So B. What is the entry? What is the entry? Sudha. Sudha's account debit to Radha. Radha account. Followed. What is the amount? 3,000 and 3,000 credit. Followed. Narration you write it later. Just same as it is. This is about the transaction B. This is about what? Transaction B. Next, we'll go to the next one quickly. Next one you can see on the board. Next one is what? C point. C point. What it is C point tells? Sorry, I have solved the second as a C. This one you have solved as a C. Here. Now we'll solve the B. This was actually C. Okay, students. Now we'll go with B. Wrongly I go ahead directly with C. Now we'll go with B. B note. An amount of rupees 2,000 withdraw by proprietor has been debited to office expense. Clear? Withdraw by proprietor. Withdraw by proprietor andrenu owner. So owner is withdrawing rupees how much? 2,000. Owner in ಮಾಡ್ತದನೋ withdraw ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ 2,000 rupees. When owner will withdraw, what is the correct entry? What is the correct entry? B point. Correct entry drawings. When owner will withdraw, drawings account debit to cash account credit. Drawings account debit to cash account credit. Correct? Then where it is being debited? It is being debited to office. Notary. Drawing account debit ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ? ಆಫೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನ. ಆಫೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನು. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ? ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಗದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಆಫೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ? ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ ಟು ಆಫೀಸ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್, ನೋ ಎನಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. Clear? So what is the journal entry B? ಏನಾಯ್ತು drawings account debit to office expense rupees how much 2000 followed 2000 I hope you understood. Clear? Next one will go with D point. Nodi fast ಮಾಡ್ರಿ easy. So D point ಏನು amount paid towards salary. Clear? Amount paid towards salary pay ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ has been debited to rent. wrongly ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಾರ rent ಗೆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Clear? First we have to write the correct entry. I am showing here D point. ಏನು salary paid what is the entry? correct entry salary paid ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ cash ಹೋಯಿತು. credit salary debit to cash ಇದೇನು correct entry. salary debit to cash is the correct entry. next ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ wrongly debited rent ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ wrongly rent ಗೆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. salary ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ rent को डेबिट दिए credit cash cancel salary should be debit wrongly rent debit. so अभी क्या करना है rent के जगह में वापस हम salary को लेके आना है. then rent will go down then it will become credit rent account credit. followed? so this is a rectify entry. wrong rectify. understood? once again salary to cash salary ಜಾಗದಾಗ ಏನು ಬಂದಿತಿ rent ನ ನಾವು ವಾಪಸ್ rectify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. rectify किए तो rent ಜಾಗದಾಗ ವಾಪಸ್ we have to bring salary. then if you bring here salary then rent will go credit. so salary account debit to rent account. so here D point suspense account what you have to write? sorry not suspense journal entry. salary account debit to rent account 4000 salary account debit to rent account 4000 this is about D. then we will go to E. what is the E point? quickly I will show you E point. what is the E point? extension of building 50000 has been debited to repair. building ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು extension ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ construction ನ extension ಮಾಡಾತೀವಿ. so building is asset. clear? so what is the journal entry? building asset what? debit extension of building is asset building increases. so journal entry E what? building account debit cash account credit building debit cash credit. the next what they have done wrongly debit repair cash cancel. ಏನು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು rectify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ building ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು building then repair will go down repair credit. see journal entry quickly we can write buildings account debit to what? repair account. what is the amount? 50000 50. understood now all of you? once again building debit to cash building in the place of building what is being taken? repair तो cash cancel. so building के जगह में repair आया repair को हटा के building बनाए correct किए. clear? then repair will go down. this is what? rectification. next last point F see furniture purchased means correct entry what? furniture account debit. clear? furniture account debit. so F point I will show you the F point. what will happen? F point correct entry furniture purchase किए तो furniture debit furniture purchase furniture debit. one more account cash account credit. Furniture account debited to cash account. Wrongly what they have done, has been debited to purchase. Purchase फर्नीचर के जगह में purchase डेबिट किए, कैश क्रेडिट किए. कैश कैश कैंसल, फर्नीचर को परचेज किए और फर्नीचर को हटा के क्या करना है, परचेज. फर्नीचर को परचेज किए, फर्नीचर को हटा के रेक्टिफाई क्या किए, फर्नीचर. Where this furniture will go down. So purchase will become credit. Followed? So what is the rectified entry? Furniture account debit to purchase account. No any double of the amount. 10,000 as it is. 10,000. Clear? So this is how we have to pass the rectified entry without suspense account. Followed? Without suspense account. I hope you understood. If you not understanding, again you go back with the video, pause it. Again wherever you will not understand, again you take the repeat and again you watch it better. Clear? I hope you will understand. Clear? Then we'll meet in the another video with the another problem. Okay? Thank you all of you.